Hello subscriber, today our topic is a technical specification of a construction of a 11 kV or a 33 kV power stations. First we have a clear that what does a technical specification construction of a power station means a technical specification are to before to design any electrical device or any plan before think about it what we have utilize it and how to utilize it and what the advantages give that specification specification and what the system is required about this specification or not. Initial stage of a substation or a system improvement. 11 kV metal clad or a switch gear. General specification about that is the 11 kV switch gear must be of a metal cloud type of a suitable for an indoor installation as per a single line diagram. It consists of a single insulated bus bar in a air insulated bus bar chamber, metal cloud floor, mountain unit, incorporating enclosure of a circuit breaker unit, VT, auxiliary winding and the relays and IDS in the SCS port and scanzas of a region DCC and the potential transformer control switchgear alarm lamps and include instrument are must be constructed in according to the ISO or any international law of electrical constructions. These are all about the system which will be required about to install on a site and according to their layout, and SLD has been designed according to their constructions. And also the proper place and the proper switchgear are needed according to their fault and what the fault kind of these type of fault we have a listen or a visual in the last operations or experience of an electrical device. Day by day changing are required or any signification are required in a system to improve their unprepared or unwanted situation. The switchgear is a symbol of a consistence of an individually grounded and compressed steel structure. Each component have a door barriers and the removable access panel to isolate or separate working functions. The minimum diagram shows the many components of their constructions and must be featured in the front panel of each switchgear. Components are 11 kV or 33 kV. Means these stations are designed according to the humanity or any people which is working on it, how they exist and how they work on it. All cubics and other enclosure must be dust, damp and the verminate protected. All cable connected must be arranged to the switch cables and which also be raised to the switchgear from a cable trench or running along with the rear gears. All control cable must be separated from power cables. Before the specification of any switchgear means needed a trench distance is maintained in a substation and also 11 kV switches and the power wiring and protection wiring is have a different type of a usage, so needed to be away from each other. Some general arrangements are required for that switchgear to arrange in a made up a several unconnected function unit as shown in a attached layout and the diagrams of a future experience. The 11 kV switchgear must be consist of the following: 20 switchgear panels such as a two incoming switchgear panel, and the one is a one bus bar switchgear panel, and the one is a auxiliary transformer switchgear, and two is a future or a capacitor bank panel, and 14 is the outgoing switchgear panels. Here is some requirements of switches according to their stations and their utilizations of a power. Degree of a protection: the degree of a protection of a person against the hazard approach the live parts for enclosure of any international IP40. For a cable breaker is the IP41, the instrument is the IP50, and the bus bar is the IP51. And also create the suitable switches for suitable temperatures to use on it. Every current carrying part of equipment includes the circuit breaker, current transformer, bus bar connected joints must be capable and carries out related current and continuously, and in a no part must be permissible temperature rise exceed and unless otherwise specified. Means any other temperature rising or otherwise specified. In addition of all parts of a switchgear include the current transformer must be capable with standing without the thermal of a mechanism damaged in the continuous peak in the short time current corresponding to the rated symmetrical breaking capacity of a circuit breakers. All current rating is specified or a minimum continuous value of required under the service condition of specified in a service conditions. In above all these things are discussed because that's where we have a discuss all about the things that means before any design any substations or any of electrical devices must be think about the safety and the hazard positions of workers and their users are utilizing electricity which are consumers. Means an standardization system has been designed for all. Means it's a safe side for a human, means a customer and also a user that is using or troubleshooting or working on that device of electrical. So these things are defined that all these things are already discussed before to starting specific or specialization of substations. Means these things are required. Thank you for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and support me. Still not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel to get the more update like this. Thank you.